Imagine trading an AI token that rewards you just for buying it. No complex tasks, no crazy farming. Just trade and earn your share of a $1 million prize pool. Welcome to the AriaAI Trading Competition, live now on Binance. I'm ZENDA, and in this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about AriaAI, how to join the campaign, and how you could claim a piece of those rewards before it's too late. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is AriaAI? AriaAI, ticker symbol Aria, is a next-gen project that merges AI intelligence with blockchain transparency. It's all about creating an ecosystem where AI agents analyze data, predict trends, and optimize trading strategies, all on-chain. Think of it as the fusion between ChatGPT and DeFi, a decentralized AI economy that learns and rewards its users. To celebrate Aria's launch, Binance is hosting a massive trading competition where anyone can join and earn rewards by trading Aria pairs. Here's the breakdown. The competition runs from November 6th, 1600 UTC, until November 20th, 1600 UTC. During this time, you can trade Aria tokens on Binance Wallet or via Binance Alpha. Your mission? Buy Aria tokens, as only cumulative purchase volume counts for the leaderboard. The more Aria you buy, the higher you rank. And yes, even small traders have a shot at the prize pool. Now, let's go step by step so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Go to the AriaAI Trading Competition page on Binance. You'll find the link in this video's description. Step 2. Make sure your account is verified and that your region is eligible for Binance events. Step 3. Click Join Now. Step 4. Start buying or trading AriaAI USDT pairs during the campaign period. Step 5. Check your ranking on the leaderboard, which updates every few days. That's it. Super easy. Now, here's the fun part. The prizes. The total prize pool is over 5.6 million Aria tokens, worth around $1 million. Rewards are split across the top 12,300 traders, so you don't need to be in the top 10 to earn. The one trader gets a massive chunk, while the rest are distributed across the leaderboard, making it one of the most inclusive competitions Binance has hosted this month. Remember, Aria isn't just a random meme token. It's an AI-powered project built for the future of decentralized trading. So why is this competition important? It's not just about free tokens. It's about showcasing a real use case where AI, blockchain, and trading collide. Binance is saying we're entering the next wave. AI meets crypto, and AriaAI is leading that movement. If you've ever wanted to join a project early, before it becomes the next trend, this is your shot. If you're new to Binance and haven't created an account yet, here's a quick bonus tip. You can register using my referral link below or enter this code RMCTNTB5R during sign-up. You'll unlock cashback bonuses, reduce trading fees, and sometimes even special campaigns for new users. Links in the description. It's free, fast, and takes less than 2 minutes. So that's the breakdown. AriaAI X Binance Trading Competition. $1 million in prizes, 12,000 winners, 2 weeks to trade. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this is your chance to earn by joining one of the biggest AI token campaigns this month. I'm ZENDA. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and share it with your crypto fam. Stay sharp, stay early, and I'll see you in the next one.